video wallpapers on your lock screen, and more cool features you should try on your Samsung phone, especially the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Hey guys, I'm Nasser from an update and welcome to my channel. These video wallpapers look just amazing on this large beautiful screen. You can find it available to download from the internet. Once it's downloaded, go into your gallery, go to that video file, tap the three dots and click on Set as Wallpaper, choose Lock Screen and set on Lock Screen, and here you have it. That's it. If you take screenshots and like to blur some parts of it, just tap on the edit icon and then go into Pen Tools, choose the Mosaic Pen, and this is what blurs anything you mark, whether it is names, pictures or phone numbers. It blurs it so nicely. And after that you can click on share and send it to anyone you want. Another feature where you can take up photos, put them together and create reel, movie, and even put them in a collage format. Here you can choose how to organize your pictures and put them together. You can decide the aspect ratio, decide how much space there needs to be between photos, choose the mask and change the background color, and even edit the frame dimensions. Let's try to create a movie, and here we can obviously decide transition effect between all frames. We can individually edit every video and photo. We can change the duration of the footage, where the cuts need to be. We can apply crop and filters and color correct our video or photo. We can also add text effects, background music that we want to add, and obviously the aspect ratio, and make it more ready for YouTube Shorts, Instagram or TikTok by just stretching it all the way out. And yes, that's it. We are pretty done. We save the video and it goes straight away in the gallery. And now within your gallery, there is a unique artistic effects to apply to your photo. So if you choose to edit a photo and then tap on these three dots and click on style, it will show these unique filters that gives a very artistic effects to your photo. There is a trick here. If your photo has a pet or a human in it, you can apply the effect just to the background, or let's say just to the pet, and of course you can apply to both. It's really so fantastic at identifying the subject. I think it's just something you can have fun with, so definitely give it a try. It looks really good when you plan and organize everything on your phone calendar. To do this, just open the calendar, then take out your S Pen, then tap at this pencil icon at the top, that you can be able to start writing on your calendar. And here you can see there are much color palettes that look really nice. Pick up what you like from them, and after that just zoom in, select the highlighter and ensure to choose a light color and just block the days. Right after that, choose a pen of a darker color and write on top of that highlighted area what you plan to do. It's really easy and you can do this across the calendar. Just take the highlighter, take the pen, and then write whatever you plan to do during those days. And yes, your plan for August is already in motion. So I think it's really a good way, and you can see everything written stays right there. And even if you do wish to change something, you can use the selection tool and drag and drop to a different date. You can take a screenshot of this and put it up as a lock screen wallpaper. Now let's move on to the next feature. Just like you have the Edge panel that gives you access to shortcuts and apps, you can also set up an adjuster that open up your important widgets instead of searching them in the menu or in home screen. To do this, you are going to first need One Hand Operation Plus that you can just go and search for it in the Play Store. Once you downloaded it, turn it on and then choose which handle you want the widget gesture on, and then choose which gesture you want to assign it to. Now from the list of all the actions you want to go into widgets pop-up, that's it. And now go back and trigger that action, and now you have got to touch and hold here to add a widget. and you get access to all the widgets that are possible on your phone. Of course, that depends on which all apps you have got installed, and then you can choose the widget and it's going to present itself right there, and you can add more widgets and more pages. If you work with PDF files and you really like to mark it up or highlight it, you really don't need any additional app. You can use Samsung Notes, what's built right into your phone. So look your PDF file, whatever it is, and then choose to open with Samsung Notes, not the PDF reader. Once the file opens up, take your S Pen out, then tap on this right icon, and now you can start, highlighting it wherever you want to and whichever color, and you can also pick up the pen tool and choose to mark up anywhere throughout the PDF. And once you are done marking up your file, you can export it in different format. And of course it includes PDF, but then there are all these other formats for you. The S22 Ultra allows note takers to be able to take notes while watching a video, but in multi-screen the available space is low. So here is what to do. Watch the video as it is, open your Edge panel and drag and drop your note taking up on top of YouTube. And now you can place this pop-up and increase its size to whatever size you want, and then reduce the opacity just that you are able to watch the video and yet be able to take notes right on top of that. And now you just have more space to write this note down, and I think that's really a fantastic way, especially if you are watching a lot of videos and researching. Also, next time you start a countdown timer, you can just set it up start and just get out of it. It becomes this tiny pop-up that will let you keep tracking, and then it becomes into a smaller pill which you can tap and then get right back into the app if you want to. And lastly, I don't know if you know this already, if you wrote down basic equation with an equal to sign, you could actually perform these operations without doing it yourself. So once you are done with writing and you are into reading mode, so let's say you go back, and when you hover around them, you will get this sign. And when you click on it, it actually performs that operation for you. Of course, this also holds true for email addresses and phone numbers. It just identifies them automatically. So guys, hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more content and see you next time.